All right, so historically for earnings, we can take a peek. Doesn't mean it's going to happen exactly the same way, but we can take a peek at what it looked like. So I showed you this one. We had this chop right here and then we tumbled, right? So that was a bearish earnings. Let's look at it, bullish earnings. So it was down here at 93. And then look at this rip. It's not ever going to be a straight line, just like Heather says, but we went all the way up to 140. So 1, 2, so this is actually 19 days, this run right here to the top before it tanked and pulled back. But I just wanted to show you when NVDA moves. So this would be incredible if we took a jump like that. That's almost a 50-point move, massive for NVIDIA. But this is kind of what it looks like. So even though we dumped here, we pulled back the next day, we dumped again, we pulled back, then we dumped again. So I just wanted to show you because I didn't want you to look at this today and go, oh, we ripped today and then we pull back tomorrow. Are we reversing, right? It's not ever a straight line. It has to pull back a little bit along the way. So I just wanted to show you that this morning. So let's just see if we get that big push. Looking at our daily chart right now, we've been tapping along this upper trend line. So we could get a pause. Let's say we push up to 153 today. We could pull back a little bit tomorrow before we see another push to break above. We don't know obviously for sure what's going to happen, but this is kind of what I'm looking at and watching. So don't be scared if we get a nice push and a nice pullback. We could push because of earnings and bust right through it and head on up, but let's just see level to level, have patience with the market. We don't control the market, right? We just trade what we see.